encountering the wait a bit long problem, or sure it's taking a while to sign in issues while trying logging into your Among Us, you have to follow this step, which can be either with the connecting to the servers due to the server overload or the internet issues or app glitches. Sometimes these issues occurs because Among Us servers are down due to the maintenance or high traffic. On the number second step, if your internet connection is poor, then you can face this problem. You can try switching between your different network like your Wi-Fi or your data. So if you have opened up your Among Us app, then you can simply restart the game. You have to completely close your Among Us game and then you can restart it. Also, a simple restart of your phone or computer can help resolve issues caused by temporary bugs or network glitches. You have to long press on your power button and go for the power off here, or you can restart your device. Also, make sure your Among Us app is updated to the latest version. Outdated version of the game can sometimes cause login problem. You have to navigate to your Play Store and search for the Among Us. Once you have searched for the Among Us, if there is any update available, then you have to download it. Also, you have to check the date and time setting. Incorrect date and time setting on your device can affect your ability to log in into online games. Also, you can clear the cache for the Among Us. You have to long press on the Among Us, go for the app info, and tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache. If none of this above work, you have to just go and try on installing the Among Us app and reinstalling it from your Play Store. So from this video, you will easily fix the Among Us problem. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.